In this video, I'll be going over my mid-month income report with Amazon KDP, YouTube AdSense, and Etsy. So let's start with Amazon KDP ads. I actually did not run any ads for Amazon KDP yet so far this month or in April 2024. So moving on from there, let's go over to my orders. I currently have 51 orders from May 1st through 16th, 2024. So a little bit more than half the month since there are 31 days in May. And my highest day so far is, it looks like May 9th around 7. I actually did get one day with no sales. And I'm not complaining because I'm still really happy since this is all basically organic sales. I'm not really doing much. It's pretty much passive income. However, it is pretty discouraging or upsetting since I have been making a sale every day for quite a while now, aside from I don't think maybe on Christmas or maybe any other holidays. Sometimes I don't make sales, but May 8th, I'm not sure why I didn't. I just didn't have anything ship out that day, I guess. So my lowest day is May 8th since that is at 0. And all of my books so far sold this month are all scrapbook paper and craft paper pad. And then before I continue to my actual royalties, YouTube AdSense, and Etsy revenue, I just want to thank our sponsor for this video, and my sponsor for this video is Everbee. So in case you're not sure how to do your pricing for your Etsy listings, I definitely recommend using this Etsy profit calculator. So many times do I see posts of people being so excited they got their first sale. However, they actually lost money because they didn't include all of the fees, discounts, things that happen when you post your product onto Etsy. So I have digital downloads on Etsy right now, so I don't have any shipping cost or anything like that. I do offer some discounts, but it doesn't really cost me anything to make it or anything for the customer to get it. So thankfully, I don't have much overhead or cost associated with selling my products. But if you do, for example, so let's do like $9.99. Let's say the shipping price is $4.99. So, okay, and then let's do a discount. You want to do a 25% discount, and it costs you $5 per item. So that means your net profit is $5.85. And you can mess around with the numbers, figure out what works for you, but I just highly recommend using this calculator. It also has more information here. You can go by the payment method, so PayPal, or you could do it by the Etsy payment. And it's just really cool to see all the differences, and you can expand them, you can hide them here, can do different labor costs, packaging costs, shipping costs. It literally lets you do everything. So that way, if it costs you $8, let's see, let's do $10 to make it, and then you offer 50% discount, you're actually losing money. So obviously, if it costs you $10, you wouldn't sell it at $9.99. But you know what I mean? So just go through this calculator, see what works for you. Everbee also has these other tools as well, and they have Everbee Mail and these learning videos. So you have product analytics, keyword research, you can do your favorites, you can look at your listings. And then they also have, when you search in the bar here, it'll tell you how many search results that certain keyword or niche gets. So I just highly recommend using this tool, especially if you're a beginner like me, and I still consider myself a beginner right now, but it's just super helpful. So moving on to royalties for Amazon KDP, $120.26 right now. That is lower than typical. Normally, I'm at least around 150. I'm not super far off from that, but I have been making over $300 a month with KDP consistently for a little bit now, but I'm not sure I'm going to get there this month. So definitely, again, a little discouraging, but you know what? I'm not doing much. This is all organic sales, so I'm happy about this. This is extra money that I can definitely use. And again, my lowest day is May 8th due to no sales. Highest is May 9th with a little over $16 a day, or on that day. It is kind of crazy to me how you can have a day where you don't make any money, and then the next day you make one of your highest paid days of the month so far, which is just like really cool and interesting to me how different that can be and how sales fluctuate. So moving over to my YouTube AdSense, I'm actually up, I feel like, and I'm not sure how or why because I have not been posting very much, have not been very consistent. So I'm very sorry for that. But thank you so much for your patience. I have a lot going on right now. So for views, 6.6K, 267.6 watch time hours, 77 new subscribers, and then $64.22 in revenue. And looking at my revenue, highest is May 7th at 962, and lowest is, let's see, May 4th at 201. But I'm honestly thrilled with this. I am incredibly happy with this. Let's see if we go to the revenue tab. My RPM is 1263. This video has really been helping me a lot. A realistic first year of Amazon KDP, and then my income report video usually does well. Resize, Amazon KDP cover, how to create a budget planner. This one tends to do well. It does not get many views, but I believe the RPM or CPM on it is really high. Don't quote me on that though. I'd have to double check, but I'm pretty sure that's why. And then my other income report video. Most are all from watch page ads. I do have one member, so thank you so much for supporting my channel. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. Shorts feed ads, and then I probably do have some from the premium YouTube subscribers as well. I'm not sure exactly the right term for that, but I think this is actually a little bit above where I've been at recently. I have made over $200 a month before. Hasn't happened in a while. I've been around the 100 to 120. And this puts me above 120 if I continue making this much. So I'm pretty pumped about that, actually. And I'm just hoping to keep up with my posting. I didn't even see this affiliate program here to see what that is. I don't know if that's new or if I've just never noticed it before, but that's pretty cool. So I'm overall happy with YouTube. I do want to be more consistent, at least posting one video a week. I've only posted one so far, all of May. So I'm really sorry about that, everyone. I am trying here. I'm trying to juggle everything. So moving over to Etsy, I'm actually super thrilled with Etsy. And so let's just go over what I have right now. So visits is up 117% compared to the same period last year, which is cool. 26 visits. I have 2 orders, so let me just scroll down here. I had an order on May 6th, order on May 16th, and that's just for this part of the month. So it doesn't include, I'm recording this video on May 19th, so it doesn't include those sales either. I don't want to spoil anything, but, or well, I guess I will. So I did make another sale, and it's just not included in here because this is for May 1st through 16th, and I'm just really excited about it because some months I don't even make a sale, and then other months I made multiple, and all this money adds up. So very happy. Conversion rate 7.7%. And if we look at, so like on May 6th, I had, it looks like 3 views, and then May 16th, I had 1 or 2 views, and that just shows the percentage difference there. That is just so cool. And then let's open or get this up here and adjust it. So for my revenue, $5.98. I don't think that includes the fees though. I currently have 5 digital download products, selling them at $2.99 each. I do have discounts, then there's other Etsy fees and different, I don't do advertising, like paid advertising with them, but they have other advertising where you get extra fees or something like that. It's still a little confusing to me. But I'll probably get around $5. I mean, I'm happy with anything. $4 or $5. I'll take any extra money. It's all going to add up, and this is passive income. So this is just comparing to the previous year, my visits, and they're definitely up. And then, yeah, my revenue is definitely up. I actually didn't have any sales May of 2023. I don't even know when I actually created my Etsy account. I'd have to look at that, but I'm pumped about this. I'm super happy. So some things are up for me for my income and some are down. KDP is currently down compared to normal. YouTube is up compared to how it's been. And Etsy is, I'm going to go with up on that as well. So I'd love to know how May is going with you, especially with KDP. I'm curious if I'm the only one seeing a decrease in sales or if you all are as well. But I greatly appreciate you watching and listening to this video, and I hope that you have a great day.